This is the Falcon Northwest FragBox, and on paper, it promises something almost impossible. True high-end gaming PC power in a console-sized box. No compromises, no gimmicks. But after digging into real-world testing and expert reviews, I found a few things Falcon Northwest doesn't exactly shout about in the marketing. So, is this the ultimate small gaming PC or an insanely expensive flex? Let's talk about it. Falcon Northwest FragBox product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Falcon Northwest FragBox is a premium small form factor gaming desktop handcrafted in the US by Falcon Northwest, a boutique PC builder known for meticulous build quality and zero shortcuts. The current FragBox lineup supports modern Intel CPUs and full-powered NVIDIA RTX graphics, all packed into a chassis barely larger than a PlayStation 5. It's aimed squarely at enthusiast gamers and creators who want desktop-class performance without a giant tower. This isn't a mass-market PC, it's a luxury custom-built machine with prices typically starting north of $3,000 depending on configuration. Falcon Northwest FragBox performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing, the FragBox punches way above what its size suggests. With configurations running high-end Intel processors paired with RTX 4070, 4080, or even higher-tier GPUs, this thing handles modern AAA games effortlessly. Whether you're cranking Cyberpunk 2077 at high settings, streaming gameplay, or editing 4K video, the system feels snappy and responsive. There's no weird lag, no thermal panic mid-session, and that's honestly impressive for a box this compact. Reviews consistently point out that Falcon Northwest's thermal tuning keeps sustained performance surprisingly stable. That said, physics is physics. Under prolonged heavy loads, think long rendering sessions, the fans will spin up. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because that's where the FragBox really earns its reputation. First up, custom thermal engineering. Falcon Northwest doesn't just shove parts into a tiny case, they custom tune airflow and cooling profiles, which means your GPU and CPU can sustain high clocks without constant throttling. That translates to smoother gameplay and consistent performance over long sessions. Second, desktop-class components. This isn't a laptop chip pretending to be powerful. You're getting real desktop CPUs and GPUs, which means upgrade paths and longevity you just don't get with consoles or gaming laptops. Third, build quality and validation. Every system is hand-assembled, stress-tested, and quality-checked. Design and build. Aesthetically, Falcon Northwest keeps things clean and understated. The FragBox uses a dense, premium metal chassis that feels solid, no flex, no cheap panels. It's compact, symmetrical, and surprisingly heavy for its size, which actually adds to the premium feel. The minimalist design blends easily into a living room setup or a desk without screaming RGB gamer box, unless you want it to. Ergonomically, it's practical too. Easy access ports, smart internal layout, and a form factor that fits where most towers simply can't. This is a PC you can move, travel with, or tuck neatly beside a TV. Pros: premium build quality and thermal tuning, desktop-grade components with upgrade potential, hand-built reliability and stress-tested assurance. Cons: very expensive compared to DIY builds. Fans can get noticeable under sustained heavy loads. Final verdict. So, who is the Falcon Northwest FragBox actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a hardcore PC enthusiast who wants top-tier performance in a compact, beautifully built system, and you value craftsmanship over bargain hunting, this is a no-brainer. It delivers exactly what it promises. But if you're the type who loves building PCs, tweaking parts, or saving every dollar possible, you'll get more raw value from a DIY setup. And if portability is your main concern, a gaming laptop might make more sense. The FragBox isn't about value, it's about execution. It's proof that small PCs don't have to feel compromised. Expensive? Absolutely. Impressive? Without a doubt.